what we have here, as you can see, is the Kente sandal, Chacha sandal, royal sandal, worn by kings and queens and in my family in the Asante culture. These were sent to me from my hometown, Bantama Kumasi. As you can see, the nails were set in place so that I can adjust them, take the nails out as they did generations ago, fit my feet in there. As you can see, they look kind of cute. Well, maybe they're a little shinned up, so I get a thumbs up. So here I am putting the nails in place after I have sized them to my feet. I now know where my flat feet come from, obviously, and and here I have set them in. The leather has been sized to me, and I should be in a second here hammering them down to get them in place, like so, as my ancestors used to do. Clearly, I'm sure they didn't have a hammer like this and a wrench to lay it on, but it kind of gives me a feel for how they used to do it. As my dad explained that you have to size them and then round off the nails in the back. Yeah, I'm just truly blessed. So here I'm just giving it the touches here, getting it nice and flat, because you do wear these barefoot. As you can see the back there, I'm going to go ahead and round those off gracefully. Well, the best of my abilities. Just being able to have these sent back from home, from auntie back home, and be able to do this at my house here it's just amazing. But these are truly authentic. Whoever made these, I honor him. There I am rounding off more of the nails. Cha-cha sandals, my dad would say. I used to fight with my cousins, nephews, nieces back home because we all wanted sandals, and it was something we saw and saw family members wearing, and these were worn by kings and queens, during major ceremonies. And here it is on my front doorstep, which I'll be wearing with my kente cloth that you've seen in videos of mine to honor my ancestors generations and generations ago. It's truly a blessing. I'm truly happy.